has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of DeForest, or 9 miles north of Sun Prairie, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fall River around 9:30 p.m. Columbus around 9:35 p.m. Beaver Dam around 9:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Danville, Otsego, South Beaver Dam, Leipzig, and Doylestown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is